Hello, and welcome to Keynote. I'm your host, Elizabeth Moore. Earlier this month, we got to know Dr. Lela Mayers, the Benefit Fund's new Deputy Chief Medical Officer. In our conversation, we were excited to talk about the Benefit Fund's health fairs that offer members the opportunity to get a quick, easy snapshot of their overall health. So excited, in fact, that we ran out of time. So in this month's keynote, Dr. Mayers talks about our other wellness resources that members can access to support them on their health journeys. So we talked all about health fairs in our episode, but we didn't get around to all the other wellness resources that the Benefit Funds offer. Can you talk a little bit about those?
Sure, I'd love to. From the Fund's website, there is a link to our Healthy Living Resource Center, which I really encourage everyone, if you have not seen it, to go check out. And on there, there's like a wealth of resources for members to take a look at. So, from all areas of managing your weight to exercising, and also finding a doctor or a primary care doctor or a specialist. There's links through the page there too.
Right. There's our healthy provider relationship tells you what you need to look for in a provider, questions to ask. It's a very good guide to finding a new primary care doctor if you don't happen to have one.
Right. Besides that, we also have a member assistance program as part of our wellness department. And this is really a place where people can get help and support around behavioral health, mental health issues. We have a care management program. This is a program where nurses can work with members who may be more acutely ill or more seriously ill, who need some more support, and it's available to anyone who really wants to access it. We have prenatal program, so we have workshops and online programs for members so they can learn everything they need to know about being pregnant. And then as part of the resource center, right, we have links to our benefits channel where you can look at everything. So there's exercise videos, there's links to programs that you can sign up for, there's notifications about our webinars and some other workshops that we have, nutrition workshops. Mm-hmm. And I would just like to add that, we're always assessing and adding new programs, looking at new programs, vetting them to see if they'd be right for our members. So stay tuned for things that get added throughout the course of the next year.
Okay. And all of these are free to all members.
Yeah, that's the greatest thing about us, right? All these benefits that I just discussed are free to members to take a look at. Free exercise classes, What's my excuse?
For more information on what you heard today, please check our show notes. And remember, subscribe to Health is the Key wherever you get your podcasts. This podcast and its content are presented solely for general informational and entertainment purposes. The information and opinions provided on this podcast are not intended as legal or medical advice and do not constitute or serve as a substitute for professional medical or psychological treatment, diagnosis, therapy, or other types of professional intervention.